What's up, what's up? All right, gotta move quick. Back to this property now. Gotta make sure everything was done right and everything looks good. Okay, all the trimming. Oh, all the trimming looks good. These shrubs look good. Okay, trimming looks very good. All the rocks are top dressed and clean. The shrub, that tree looks good. This looks good. This is looking crispy. Wow. Oh my God, it looks so good. Do you have any idea why I'm excited? All brand new rocks. Cool, we're on the next job. We're actually checking out the next job. Gotta move this trailer back. They did a beautiful job on the other job. Now we're on this job here, trimming the whole property, everything. So I gotta back the trailer up. It was accidentally parked at the wrong house. Now we're going downtown to clean windows down in Grosse Pointe off the water. It's gonna be beautiful. Whew. So I had to check on this property real quick. There's a job, we did that whole landscape job last year. That shit's still looking crispy, dog. We did all that. We do a lot of work in the subdivision. We got on their Facebook subdivision page and it keeps getting shared and we're always working here. It's like, it's awesome. So that's a good little tip if you ask customers for positive reviews. Say, hey, do you got a community Facebook page? Always learning something new. I got 2 cell phones, 6 calls a second coming in. Had unexpected delays. Jeepers? What are you doing outside? Are you a good boy? Come here, my love. Come here, don't run from me. I'm just your daddy. Come here, he's a good boy. Jeepers, where you going? Oh my God, look at this disgusting mess. Look at this mess. This is called 70 hours a week and making excuses. So we gotta load up all the window cleaning gear and go down by the water and clean these windows. Man, why don't you just go get a shop? Someone else in the comments, how come you don't get a 2500 AC dump truck in a shop? And 25 personal assistants singing oompa loompa loompa-dee-doo. Listen, I have 7 people working for me right now. It's stressful enough. All the brush heads in there, the water fed pole, good. And all these. All right. Damn, that's a cherry ass bed. Running up into 7-Eleven real quick. Hey, they got these hats in here that I want to show you. I keep looking at these hats to keep the sun off your face and neck. Look at this. Grow a little goatee, you know, look like Tim McGraw up in here. When I used to like be younger, I'd go out to bars and nightclubs and I would look facial hair. People like, it's Tim McGraw. You're sitting in the comments. Let me know in the comments below if you think I look like Tim McGraw. So we're going to get some food right now real quick at this Coney Island. I actually painted all the windows here for a few years. Holiday window painting. Look that up, dude. I'll put a link in the description below for holiday window painting as a winter hustle. Check the link in the description below. You'll see what I'm talking about. You can learn basic designs and charge 10 bucks a window, $400 a restaurant. And if you get a whole chain of them, you can go out and make 3-4 grand. Done. All right, we just got to this window cleaning job, and I can't post this one on social media, or I'd love to, but peace. The Gardiner Extreme water-fed pole system, horsehair bristle brush with the Unger hydropower unit from Detroit Sponge. Call Mike Warraway at Detroit Sponge. I'll put a link in the description below. This stuff is awesome. Love working with Mike. Come up, he's a cool guy. I'll also put a link below if you haven't seen the whole tour, the window cleaning factory. It's not a factory, it's like a tour of his store. It's a cool video. I'll put a link in the description below. It'll be called Detroit Sponge Full Tour. All right, had to leave the job site real quick to pick up a brand new phone on my business line for the new secretary, and this is her phone. Pulling triggers, man. Pulling triggers, man. Cleaning gutters. This is the 3rd time we've done this job in this little tiny storm window here. It is made out of plastic. We gotta take it off with a Phillips screwdriver. and I don't have a Phillips screwdriver on me. I have to go all the way to the store just to get them off, because I've tried pocket knife, I've looked all over in the customer's garage, there's no Phillips screwdriver. Little things like that, dude, will just eat up your time and bite you.
Well, why don't you put a note to remember you?
I know. Hashtag echo means business. Just got off the phone with the wife-a-tron while working. We were talking about the Airbnb thing again. And renting a cottage getting a cottage up north in Michigan in a vacation spot, turning it into an Airbnb. I learned about it from, I got a buddy, Andrew Sontag, does real estate, but Mike Dillard has a podcast called the Self-Made Man Podcast. It's amazing. And there's a dude on there who, he rents out apartments and then turns them into Airbnbs. He doesn't even have to buy them and renovate them. He rents them out, gets the landlord, or houses too, gets the landlord to agree that he knows he's up and up, that he's gonna Airbnb it, and then he Airbnbs and Bs them. And that he's like making like, I don't know, like $2 million a year off Airbnb, and he's got it all automated with virtual assistants and staff all over the country. Now that's extremely cool, but you know, it just put some ideas in my head. All right, now I'm home from work, stuck in the truck for an hour on the phone, and actually just interviewed a new guy, Indeed.com. You can hire people. I'm learning about this stuff from, I was on the phone with David Carroll one night from Lion Share Maintenance. Dude enlightened me so much. So looking for a foreman to run a crew, and I think I found a good guy. And he happens to already watch my videos, but I think he's a good guy. And yeah, so people say you gotta delegate, There's a difference between not being in a position yet where you're even able to delegate, because you're just not there yet. You're still learning the ropes of your own business and managing yourself, and you don't have the pricing right and the money right. But little by little, I'm really beginning to see that it's like you get something. You get a car, right? When you've been riding a bike, you go, how have I ever ridden my bike everywhere? This is fun. It's starting to become fun. Whoa, what showed up? Look at this. Another thing, guys, you don't ever have to go grocery shopping ever again. Go on Instacart.com and personal assistants would do all your grocery shopping. Look at my Milwaukee knife. Hashtag Milwaukee. Thank you, Milwaukee Tool. I love you, Milwaukee Tool. But and they also got the chargers on the side. I'm ADD. So look at this. On Walmart, you can order all, and it shows it right up at your doorstep. All the heavy stuff. You don't have time to go to the grocery store. Oh. Everything, toilet paper, toothpaste, paper towel, all the heavy stuff that you could possibly need, heavy cat litter, all shows up. I'm home. Customer gave us beer. I don't ever drink beer. I don't drink any alcohol. It gives me a headache. Maybe I'll have a beer with my old man or something. I don't know. Heineken? Heinekens are good, right? Me. Who's the pep? Oh my God. Oh, my little doggies. I love my doggies. I love them. You guys ever try this stuff? I learned about it from Joe Rogan. On it.com, Alpha Brain. It actually works. This actually works. It's awesome. Not like Adderall. I had a buddy give me an Adderall one time. You're like a robot, dude. And then after it goes away, you feel horrible. Like, God. Horrible. Oh, who is it? Who is it? Who is it? People say that I'm obviously ADD, but dude, I couldn't stand the thought of getting on any type of prescription or anything, so I just take this stuff, dude. So my books, got on my bookshelf here. Sometimes I do story time with Keith on a Facebook Live. Check it out, dude, it's awesome. Or I'll just sit there and read from a book for like 20 minutes. Okay, so I was just on the phone with Joshua Latimer. This dude's goal this year in his business is to do 10 million. So getting coached by him, once every quarter we get on the phone for a good hour and he coaches me, and it's absolutely amazing. And he doesn't go easy on me either. Like, this dude literally helped my marriage. That's how powerful. So anyways, I'm gonna go get some dinner with the wife-a-tron. Peace. Honey, where did you go? She's on the porch. Hey. Okay. Want to go get some food? Or do you want to eat at home? Do you want to eat leftover lasagna? Do you want to make spaghetti? Do you want to go get Chinese food? That's okay. Yeah.
You think it's still good?
You want to talk about the Airbnb thing? Oh, Gracie, baby. What the hell are you watching?
Don't.
It's actually a pretty good movie. Alright guys, we're not going to get Chinese food. We're eating at home. We're eating... Oh god, we usually eat really healthy. How come we didn't have the personal chef? Oh yeah, we didn't have the personal chef deliver food this week. He makes it in his kitchen. It's like really good gourmet, just amazing food because we're on vacation. So, we're gonna eat ramen noodles we're gonna make deviled eggs. I've already got them. And with some potato salad and I don't know.
Maybe you'll eat the leftover piece of lasagna.
You said it's 5 days old. Would you eat 5-day-old lasagna? Yeah, dog. Yeah, I can also make tortilla chips. Anyways, you know, if the cat's gonna keep crying until you let him out. Come on. Come on, Jeepers. Come on, you mouse murderer. Come on, go. Go on. Go on, you prick.
Mouse murderer?
Come on, up. Bye. Bye, Gracie. Nope. Goodbye. Watch, watch, watch. Nope. Aw, come on, you baby. Gross. Okay, here's your hard-boiled eggs. What are you working on?
What am I working on?
Yeah.
I have to print a label.
Print a label for what?
For an apron. 2 aprons.
Cute. Oliver. It's okay. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes. He's a good boy. So, this is awesome. We're YouTubing Facebook Live. I mean, YouTubing YouTube Live right now. That's awesome. And this will be in the next vlog.
Hi, Gabriel. See, I can see that. Oh, I can't read like the last name.
This is awesome.
Because that's where everybody's at nowadays. You know?
No, I'm taping you while taping you.
Yeah. I just think that everybody's online and that's where everybody's like converting to. So that's where you need to be. Like, you need to show your stuff online.
No.
We just got back from Mayday. But I can tell you.
We just did a YouTube Live, and so, you know what, that's the end of this vlog. I'm going to bed in this nice comfy bed, and every night when I go to bed, I listen to my David McGraw meditation on my tablet and get an eye mask. This is awesome. It's a 3D stereoscopic eye mask, so when you sleep, you get deep REM sleep. I did a sleep study over the winter, and something as small as the light from an LED smoke detector can keep you awake. So I'm going to do my David McGraw meditation. I'll put a link in the description below. You gotta check it out. But that's the end of this vlog. And good night.